Fruit Loops in our mixing can. Heavy whipping cream alternative, okay? Plant-based. Oat milk. Now we're gonna give it a really good shake. We have to mold this into delicious rectangle. I think that's the correct word. Freezer. 2 cups of pancake mix, okay? Oat milk, okay? Here we have garbanzo beans. The liquid inside is also known as aquafaba. They say you need 3 tablespoons for 1 egg. We combine this. So first, we're gonna dip this in some flour, okay? Look at this. You want this nice and thickly coated. And then take it out and put it in the freezer again. In it goes.
Freedom, people, freedom.
You hear how crispy that is? Look at that. Look at that. This is amazing.